Well, we finally arrived at the end of the pier. Now time to start fishing. We're going to start off with the Yamashita red nose jig 2.0. Cast out as far as I can, giving it 12 seconds to sink to the bottom and giving it a quick 3 lips. This is the third cast of the morning, and this is the second squid of the day already. The jig that I'm using is currently in the top left hand corner of the screen. I'll keep putting them up there so you know what I'm using at that point in time. So for the next 45 minutes, we're going to continue using a red. Whenever the situation occurs where you stop catching with that colour, don't be afraid to give it a change. You can go up and down in size or change to a different colour. I do experiment with colours. If it hasn't worked within 5 to 10 casts, change it over. Give something else a go. The sun's a little higher in the sky. The UV light has changed. Now the red nose has stopped working. I've changed over to white. Sometimes changing the jig colour can just reactivate the bite again. This is a tactic I use constantly. Still use the same technique, because the only thing that's changed is the sun's elevation, which is now allowing different UV light to come through the atmosphere. Second cast, I'm on again. What I'm taking into account is the sun elevation and the UV light that's coming through the atmosphere. Early in the morning is red, then orange starts shining through, followed by yellow, and eventually all wavelengths are shining through, creating white light. This affects how squid see colour. What's actually happening? Squid see light in wavelengths, so it's important to match those wavelengths. This is what creates contrast in the water, which makes the jig brighter or duller. That's why we start with red in the morning. Now we've moved over to orange. A couple more casts, a couple of more lifts, and again, a couple of more squid. The bite's been reactivated, and just like that, once again the squid is starting to go off the bite. So before we change over to the next colour, take a moment to like and subscribe. The next colour wavelength getting through is yellow. So now we're going to change over to a yellow. Let's see if this reactivates the bite again. Yep, right on cue, second cast. We started fishing at 7:30 this morning when the sun came up. It's now about 10:30. We've caught 12 squid in that time. All I've done is followed what wavelengths come through at different times of the morning, and how a simple change of colour can reactivate the bite. With the exception of white, just to show you that white can catch at any time. I believe when it comes to fishing that we try and use everything to our best advantage. Light's no different. Alien scattering is wavelengths bouncing off the atmosphere when it's curved. The longer wavelengths get through, once the sun rises past 15 degrees, which is around 10 o'clock, all light starts to become visible.